Hello everyone, welcome to the e-tutorial series of the Income Tax Department TDS section Kerala. In this video series, we have included various topics related to TDS return preparation and filing, online and offline correction return preparation and filing, and various other online correction procedures. We hope that these videos will provide a one-stop solution regarding your TDS related queries. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step procedure of retrieving the forgotten password. This forgot password functionality will help the Deductor to reset the login password on Traces website. Only the registered users of Traces can use this forgot password functionality. The password, it should contain a minimum of 8 alphanumeric characters with at least one uppercase character. While entering the password, special characters are not mandatory, but still you can use them to make your password strong, and the special characters that are allowed are space, comma, ampersand and semicolon. This e-tutorial will provide guidance to fill in the correct KYC details while doing this forgot password functionality on all steps. During the KYC validation, the system will ask you the token number of the latest statement filed by you, and in that case you will have to provide the token number of the original or the regular return filed by you and not the correction statement filed after the original or the regular statement. So while giving the token number, always type the token number in that field and not copy it from elsewhere and paste the data in that field. Now again, moving forward, the system will ask you for the challan details or the PAN amount combination pertaining to the latest statement. And for that, you will have to give in the details in the correction statement and not in the original statement. So if you have filed a correction statement after the original statement, then you will have to give in the details corresponding to the correction statement, and if you have not filed any correction statement, then you will have to give the challan details and the PAN amount combination in the original statement. So when I say all these things in one go, you will be a bit confused. So let us get to the details in the coming slides. Log into Traces website. It is www.tdscpc.gov.in. A pop-up disclaimer page would appear on the screen. Click on Continue, and then you can see the home page of Traces. In the home page of Traces, on the left side of the page, you can see a Forgot Password button. Click on that, and in that you select the user type as Deductor. Then this page, as you can see on the screen, will be displayed. Enter your user ID and TAN. Then enter either the token number of an accepted statement filed on or after April 1, 2010 or the TAN registration number as provided by the TIN. Then enter the CAPTCHA code as displayed on the screen. Then click on the Proceed button to continue. After clicking on the Proceed button, you will reach this page where you will have to enter the token number of the last TDS return filed by you. And while entering the token number, you should remember two things. One, the token number should be of the regular or the original statement of the last TDS return filed by you. That is, it should not be of the any correction returns filed after the original return. It should be of the regular or the original return. And secondly, in the field token number, you should always type the token number and not copy it from elsewhere and paste it in that field. You should always type the token number. In the last page, you have given the token number of the last regular return filed by you, and in this page you are going to give the challan details or the book entry details used in that return. But you will have to note a fact that if you have filed a correction return after the original return, then you will have to give the challan details or the book entry details used in the correction return. Now in case you are a garment deductor, you will be having only the book entry details. You won't be having any challan details. In such a case, tick at the checkbox provided at the top of the page where it is said that please select if the payment was done by book adjustment for garment deductors. In such a case, you need not enter the BSR code and the challan serial number. You have to enter only the date on which tax was deposited, which would normally be the last date of every month, and the challan amount. Now in case you are a non-garment deductor, you will be having challan payments only. Then you will have to enter the BSR code, the date on which tax was deposited, the challan serial number, the challan amount, and the CD record number. CD record number means the challan detail record number, and this is not a mandatory field. This column is required to be filled only when the same challan is mentioned more than once in a statement. After giving in these details, you will have to enter 3 unique PAN amount combinations used in the return. Now if you filed a correction return, then you will have to give the details used in the correction return and not the original return. You should make sure that the PAN you are entering is a valid PAN, and in case you don't have a valid PAN, you will have to tick at the checkbox provided in the part 2 of the page. After filling in all these details, click on the proceed button. Some examples of unique PAN and amount combination are given in this page. Now if the statement contains 3 deductee rows with the same PAN, that is, some PAN is given there and the corresponding amounts against the deductees are 1000.00, 1000.00 and 2000.00, then the deductor needs to fill details like in the first row he'll write 1 PAN and 1000.00, in the next row he'll write the same PAN and 2000.00. Now the amount 1000, as you can see, is deducted 2 times, but you fill it only once because the PAN and the amount 1000, that combination won't be unique again because it has already been filled once. That's why you are filling that PAN and the amount 1000 only for once, okay. So in the next example also we have the same PAN and 4 amounts. So the 1000.00, 1000.00, 1500.00 and 2000.00. So the deductor fills the details in the first row, the same PAN 1000.00, second row same PAN 1500.00 and third row the same PAN 2000.00. So here also that 1000, that amount, it is not entered twice because once you enter it again it won't be unique. On successful validation, the deductor's registered mobile number with traces will be displayed on the screen. Then click on proceed for OTP to be sent to this number. After you get the OTP, enter the OTP received on the registered mobile number and click on the next button to continue. Now you get this page where you can create your new password. In the field new password, enter your new password as per the password guidelines. It should be at least 8 alphanumeric characters with at least 1 uppercase character. Special characters are not mandatory, still you can use them to make your password strong. And the special characters that are allowed are space, comma, ampersand and semicolon. Now in the confirm new password field, again enter the password you have entered in the first field and then click on confirm. The password will be changed instantly and it can be used from the next login onwards. For that, a login button is also provided in this page. Click on the button login. Hope this video was helpful to you. Please give your valuable feedbacks and suggestions regarding this video in the email ID displayed on this page. Please send us a mail if you want us to include any other relevant topics in this e-learning program. Thank you so much.